Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying essentials: device model, OS version, and the exact app that's restarting. Once confirmed, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times because you need access to advanced process controls. Make sure to back up app data first. This protects settings if you must clear caches or force stop services. You will act deliberately. Note recent updates or battery optimizers, and prepare a log of symptoms so you can target the real cause rather than guessing. Once done with backup and developer access, change power policies. Go to Settings, disable battery optimization for the app, and ensure background activity is allowed in App Info. Then inspect app permissions, location, storage, auto start, because missing permissions can trigger restarts. Use developer tools. Capture logs with ADB logcat while reproducing the crash to see stack traces. If processes are being killed by the system, tweak foreground service usage or adjust job scheduler timing. And test again to finish, clear the app cache and only clear data if you have a backup. Then reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Once reinstalled, revert any aggressive developer flags you enabled, then retest under normal conditions to verify the fix. Keep a concise troubleshooting log of steps and timestamps. If the app still restarts, roll back recent updates or capture a fresh log and contact the app developer with details. One key tip: if crashes persist, test the app on another device to isolate device versus app issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.